So hey guys, we'll start with our today's lecture with our topic that is scaling techniques. So actually we are going to discuss what is scalability or what does the term scalable stands for. For example, if we create some app for our college, for example, it's normally a hostel app that keeps a track of the mess records of each student in hostel A, for example. So the response time at that time is quick because only one hostel A students have access to this and only their information is stored here. So the app is successful. So what the developers now decide that they want to expand their app to, let's say, to 10 hostels or to, let's say, 20 hostels. So the scalability or the response time will now go down because within the same resources we firstly, for example, we accommodated 100 people, now we are accommodating 10k people, 10,000. So automatically the response time will go down and the scalability will decrease. So this was about what is scalability in terms of any web app. Now let's say we book tickets from IRCTC. So if there is some festive season, for example, Diwali, Holi, or Eid, then the website goes down. Website goes down. This is because there are too many requests and the app is not scalable enough. It's not scalable enough. So this was the problem that we are facing regularly by using the IRC. So the scalability is an issue and we need to take care of that. So if in case of monoliths, we'll discuss how does scalability impact something. We in case of monoliths, all the front end, the back end and the database is in the same layer. This is our app. Cool. So initially, if we have a few users and the resources we are having is we have 1 TB storage and 4 GB RAM. So it is responding as we are requiring. So scalability is good and the response time is also acceptable. So both boxes are ticked, this and this. Now, for example, now more users are using this. Now more users are using this. So developers will go out and they will add some more resources. They'll pay for that resources and add them. So initially this was 1 TB and 4 GB. Now they pile up another on this app, 1 TB and 4 GB more. After some time more people are added, so 1 TB and 4 GB are added. So we are scaling by buying the resources again and again. So this kind of scaling is known as vertical scaling. Cool. We are vertically increasing the amount of resources by buying them. So there are certain limitations while we are using this kind of scaling. So we are gonna discuss that. So the first limitation is a single point of failure. Point of failure. Cool. So all of them are like this. If this is not working, all the parts will be crashed. So this is another important thing. Second limitation is that it's very expensive. We have to keep on adding resources again and again, so it becomes expensive. And if we draw a performance and a vertical, this is vertical scaling this way, and this is performance. So a graph after reaching a certain height, it will become constant. So if we add resources, then not much impact on the response time will take place, for which we are actually working. Cool. So these were the limitations that are there in vertical scaling. I hope you guys have understood this. We'll meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.